Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As festive season is around, let's make a sweet dish which is healthy yet tasty dates halwa. No added sugars, just the goodness of dates. So let's get started with the recipe. In a bowl, I have taken 500 grams deseeded dates. To that, I have added 2 cups hot water. Cover and soak them for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, dates become soft. Now, add the soaked dates along with the water to a blender and blend them in batches. Make sure to blend the dates until you get a smooth paste. Then, in a pan, add 3 tablespoons ghee. Once it is slightly hot, add 10 chopped cashews, 10 chopped almonds, and roast them for about 30 seconds. Once the nuts are roasted, remove them from the ghee and keep them aside. Into the same pan, add in the dates paste. Mix and cook the paste for about 10 minutes on medium flame. Continue to mix and cook the paste. After 10 minutes, the color slightly becomes darker. Then add 3 tablespoons of ghee. Mix and cook for another 10 minutes until the ghee is completely absorbed by the halwa. Make sure the flame is on medium and continue to mix the halwa. Once the ghee is completely absorbed by the halwa, add 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. Mix it well and cook it for about 2 minutes. And finally add 2 tablespoons of ghee and give it a good mix. The ghee is completely absorbed and the halwa comes together without sticking to the pan. At this stage, add the roasted nuts and give the halwa a good mix. And the dates halwa is ready to serve. Do give this recipe a try and share your pictures with me on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon for latest video updates.